Watch out for this guy because he's constantly filming. Watch what you say. Watch what you say. Down this way.
I like, yeah. I mean, I'm used to Ocean Parkway. I used to do that.
Yeah. It's
you know.
It's the oldest. Isn't that the oldest bike lane in the country?
It felt like it. I know they were fixing it.
I think it is the oldest bike lane in the country.
Wow, that's crazy.
Yeah, I apologize for not wearing a helmet.
Oh, no, that's alright.
It's not true R&B. I'll let you know, but...
Are we going to take advantage of this downhill? What the hell was that? Oh, shit.
Oh, it was your...
The rubber thing for it there.
Yeah.
Well, these shades got a scratch in them anyway, so...
They got what?
They got a scratch on the lens, so...
Oh, yeah.
I only paid $35 for them, like a year and a half, coming up on 2 years. She's taking advantage of this downhill. I'm about to do so as well. Alright, the safe way or the dangerous way? Or the safe way or the short way?
I've only ever gone the short way. There's an actual safe way around there.
Yeah, you're supposed to go like that.
Yeah, I've never done that. I go this way.
Shit.
We'll wait for traffic to stop, then we're gonna cross over. Like maybe 5 more miles?
Yeah, maybe.
And you know, we can also go on here.
Yeah, let's go up there. This is the only thing that sucks. We're technically supposed to follow the light, but if you're there, you just do the stop signs. And if you're going straight, if you're coming straight through here, you have to make sure they're not turning on you. But if you're here, at least you have a little buffer, you know? Yeah? Yeah. Rich neighborhoods, nice houses.
Yes.
A lot of Mercedes. Oh yeah, we were talking about this during Dyker Heights.
Say what?
We were talking about that during the Dyker Heights ride.
Oh yeah, I never went back.
That's a dickhead move, man.
Yeah. Well, they set a lot of flowers along here. I've never made this ride on a Friday night.
Flowers, that kind of music. It's a nice little combination.
Are you an R&B fan or no?
That's alright. I mean,
diffuse this so that it's more of a simpler.
so here we go. S-Class. Oh man, I would love to own the S-Class one day.
Oh, let's go to the right, you guys.
Oh, he's a doctor driving that. Oh, we're going.
Let's pull over. Pull over. We're gonna go up to next one and take a left.
Alright, cool. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Keep it, guys. Thank you.
So we can take turns watching bikes and going in. Hold on, somebody text me. It might be someone.
You ever watch Seinfeld with the marble rye? You never saw that?
I don't remember that one.
Oh man, that was funny. Sheesh, I should have brought it back if I would have known.
They still have smoked fish over here. They have like 8 different types of smoked fish. Do you see that?
Yeah, let's check that out. Oh, that's nice.
I don't know how.
Excuse me?
Thanks. Maybe you should get one of these things.
I'm gonna shit the guy. Oh, he got the bag. Yeah, I forgot.
Oh man, I'm so angry I don't have a bag right now.
Yeah, you barely got pockets, man.
Yeah.
You gotta hide it.
Is there a ramp? Shit, I don't want to carry my bike up steps. Oh, shit.
Terrified to bike on the boardwalk.
Yo, that's the first time that's ever happened to me. Yeah, right here.
That's not duck enough.
Look how close.
Duck it up. So we can text him and be like, who am I?
It's to her face, but it looks like it's far, right?
Yeah, that is really nice.
Come
Come here, come here.
That's cool.
Is that a baby shark?
Yeah.
How long
It's
has
a shark?
it been dead?
Wow.
It's
Come here. Yo, he got a shark. Holy shit.
Oh.
That's fucking crazy, yo.
What?
You look like he'll taste good.
Yeah, they
You fry him good.
that's
What the hell is sharks doing? I'm wet.
Yes.
I don't know.
This is my brother's artwork all year.
They're about to go live on Facebook, yeah. Oh, you doing the live thing? About to.
Well, we're here now. No, I'm imagining. People wait, but I didn't know how long it would be. Yeah.
Fair enough.
Right. We had to wait.
Yeah, let's go down.
Slick, be careful.
Alright.
You out here, man?
You guys get home safe.
Alright, man. Nice meeting you.
I'll let you know about the camping trip. Hey, good to see you.
Alright. Alright, man.
Alright, take it easy, man.
Later. Cool riding with you.
Yeah, it's fun.